Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Hydatid disease. Hydatid disease is actually a zoonotic disease. That is, it is a disease which man gets from animals. So this is mainly seen in sheep grazing areas of the world. It is commonly seen in areas where sheep is grazed because it is sheep is an intermediate host of causative organism of hydatid disease, which is uh, echinococcus granulosus. Okay, this hydatid disease is more common, or it is endemic in Mediterranean countries, Middle East countries, Far East countries, South America, Australia, New Zealand, and East Africa. In all these conditions, this hydatid disease in all these countries, hydatid disease is an endemic disease. Okay, in humans, hydatid disease comes in humans whenever humans have contact from the dogs which are diseased, and there is no human to human transmission in hydatid disease. What is the causative agent of hydatid disease? Hydatid disease is caused by echinococcus granulosus. Other causative organisms are, we have echinococcus multilocularis, then we have echinococcus vogeli and echinococcus oligarthrus are the different causative organisms of echinococcus.
thank you and thank you for watching.